Hi there, Johnny McCloskey here. Welcome to Group Meditation with Joni's Holistic Healing Hub. And the first thing to do with meditation is really to ground yourself, if you can, on a nice comfortable chair. Try and keep your back straight and your feet planted on the floor, and feel that you are grounded into the earth. Perhaps imagine roots coming from your feet or from your root chakra down through the floorboards and into the ground to keep you steady and grounded. Save you from flying around like a paper bag in the wind, like so many ungrounded people do. And the next thing to do is maybe put your fingers in this position, finger and thumb. Standard Buddhist position, really, though anyone can use it. And then really just take some deep breaths in and hold and release slowly, like so. And one more time for demonstration purposes. I do that a few times so you feel that your heartbeat might be slowing a little bit, your blood pressure might go down. You'll feel in a more relaxed state. You may close your eyes if you wish. And also find that the Buddhist chant Om, O-H-M, or just O-M, or a variation is A-H-M, whatever way you want to do it, then there's always it's always a good chant for raising your personal vibration and clearing negativity away, which is what we want to do. So I'll give a demonstration of that. The idea is to keep the note going nice and slow and steady, like a violin bow going across the strings for a long time. You want to get the note as far as you can. I find that's a good way of doing it, though there's other ways, but that's my personal way of doing Om. So I'll give you a demonstration of that now, counting you down. 3, 2, 1. Om. And so that's kind of what you're aiming for. If you don't get it the first time, don't give up, it's not a problem, it'll come to you with practice. And it's good if you do Om on an odd set of numbers such as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. It works better that way than finishing on even numbers. So if we could go live and I can figure out the technology, we'll do that one day, but this is just a wee demo to show you what should happen at group meditation. And if we're all doing it at the same time from 11 AM, I can imagine if we could lock in at 11:11, that's a special number in numerology. But if everyone's in by then and we're all in the same state of mental and spiritual bliss, then something really good could happen for the whole group. So hope to see you next Wednesday at the same time, 11 o'clock, 11 AM GMT, or whenever suits you, and just join in, and we'll just do our best to ascend and raise spiritual vibration personally and for everyone else. Thanks for listening. Slàinte mhath.